Hey Winnipeggers, this is JDizzEats, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make this homemade Starbucks Frappuccino. Since lockdown, stay at home, you can't go to Starbucks or too risky. I know it might be open to get a Frappuccino, but if you can't, why not make this bad boys at home, Starbucks Frappuccino, just like Tim Hortons Ice Cap. This is a great quarantine drink. And basically, this is good for drinking outside at your yard. But right now, I'm drinking at my house, at my dining room. And we're going to teach you how to make these. And let's get into it. The first step to making Starbucks Frappuccino is 2 cups of ice, half cup of coffee, half cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and blend it. Alright, now we're done the Starbucks Frappuccino, and once we're done, I'm gonna put in here. And there you have it. That is Starbucks Frappuccino. So bon appetit. Done making these Starbucks Frappuccino, and this is what it looks like. Similar to ice cap, but instead of brown sugar, it's white sugar, regular sugar. And now we're gonna give this a taste, a drink. It's kind of similar to Starbucks, except I use different coffee. I know Starbucks might use a different coffee. And then I use 3% milk on this, and they might use 2% milk there. So that's gonna be probably the difference. But anyway, this is a great treat. Just like Tim Hortons Ice Cap. Should give this a try at home. So I'll probably rate this Starbucks Frappuccino a 9 out of 10, just like Tim Hortons Ice Cap. And the reason why is I like that sweetness to here. Same thing as the Ice Cap, except it uses white sugar. And the thing I did not like is the same thing as Tim Hortons Ice Cap. The ice is in the middle. It's too liquidy, same thing. But overall, a must try to make this at home if you're in quarantine. And if you're craving for some Frappuccino at Starbucks, here you go. But anyway, guys, cheers. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like, comment for any suggestions, subscribe, and share this to anyone. And guys, this is JDizzEats, and stay safe out there, and bye.